Hello everybody and welcome to your own YouTube channel, the PaveCraft. I'm Alirza Alavi, your instructor, and I'm here to start new session on AutoCAD learning. First of all, as I said, it is necessary to change your units to favorite ones. I change it to meters for my whole project. Okay. Now today I want to change different dimension styles and text styles in my project, and also talk about new materials, about array and fillet and different line types and line weights. So let's go. Okay, now I want to have this plan for my whole project. First of all, I want to dedicate some dimensions to this. Now if I want to change these dimensions, I should push the annotation and choose the second option of it. Choose the modify option to change their different styles. Actually, I want to have blue lines for my dimension with thicker line type and with about 1 unit baseline spacing. I choose different thing for my array simple. For example, closed blanks with a row size about 3, and I choose the text style, for example red one, with text height 3.5. And now if I want to draw some frame around my text, I should push this option, and as you can see, different frames will be drawn around my dimensions, and I don't want to have these. And actually I want to have more precision on my dimensions, for example 3 numbers. Okay, and as you can see, I have different styles for my dimension system, and as you know, I changed their line weights and it didn't used here, so I should type line weight on my screen and push this option. As you can see, now it is revealed. Okay, in the next step I want to talk about drawing some array around our objects. So I want to have a circle, a base circle, and another circle around it. I want to add different circles around this base circle based on distance from each other. Okay, I write array, I choose my first object, and I choose polar one. After that, I specify a specific center of my drawing system here, and now I have 5 array. And if I want to change their numbers and items, I should click on one of them and open this menu. I change their items here, for example 10, and if I want to publish them around these circles, I should change this one, for example 5. As you can see, 1 2 3 4 and 5. Okay, in the next step, when we want to draw some arrays around a specific line, we can choose it based on these topics. Alright, we should choose our object, and after that choose the pass one. Okay, now we have a different arrays along with our line, and I want to choose their distance between every array, for example 5 meters. As you can see, now we have 40 items along with our specific line. Now if I want to draw different items like rectangular, I will choose the first item of array. Okay, I choose my object, choose rectangular, and I have these arrays. Now I can change them based on my favorite items. For example, 5 columns with 2 rows. Okay, now an important comment for any highway designers for drawing their arc lines is using the fillet to draw some curves on their highway designing. Okay, for example, I have this arc line for my project. I use fillet to dedicate some curves between two lines. I want to have a curve with 50 meters radius. Now I can extend it. I change it to 100. As you can see, I have a curve with radius 100, and also I choose similar radius for here. Now I have a curved highway for my arc line, and my favorite designing highways, it is really important and vital for our projects. Final topic that I want to talk about in this session is changing the text style. My text is really big. For example, PaveCraft. Okay, as you can see, it is really gigantic for my project, so it is necessary to change its height. Okay, I prefer to change its dimensions by using the properties menu that I set on previous sessions. So I change its height to about 5, for example. And now I have a smaller PaveCraft on my screen. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe our channel, like our video, and make comments under this video. Thank you so much. Have a good time. Bye bye.